Hello friends and potential friends. Well, today's July 4th and we're gonna have kind of a lazy day today. Might be cooking some ribs later. Maybe a steak or two. There's a couple of steaks out there. But it's supposed to be nice and relatively cool today. Started off in the mid 60s and I think we're supposed to get up to the low 80s this afternoon. All the cows seem to be happy about the grass I've been trying to get growing for them. But I came out here to see something else because things are growing out here. Got that guy there and that one is about, it looks like it's right at 4 inches right now. And I think I may have to be measuring that thing every day because it's putting on more size every day. And it's got competition in there. There's another one. Another one over there and another one there. Another one over here. And around here on the other side, we have a bit of an oddball. If I can get down here to where I can see it. There it is. I'm not sure if that's off the same plant or not. There's two vines in there, 3 I think. But that one looks like a pumpkin. The other ones I just showed you look like spaghetti squash. And there's more of them hiding in here. And more of them in production. So we're going to be eating squash and pumpkins pretty soon. I haven't found any growing in here yet, but the sunflowers are trying their best to catch up with them. And I hope they make it. Got more okra coming along. Another pod there and another flower. And this morning I noticed that over here on the Praxis cherry tomato, we're starting to see little tomatoes starting to pop up. Won't be long. And my suspicion is that this guy over here is another Praxis. And it is also starting to put on tomatoes. Let's see, I saw a few a minute ago. Where'd they go to? There's some. A few of them right down in there. Hopefully you can see them. They're kind of in the shadow. But at the very least, we should have some cherry tomatoes before long. Let's see what else I can get into. And did I mention that it is still mulberry time? That's what I'm going to be doing for a little while. Well, I cleared off the tarp. Still a lot more out here in the grass I could pick up, but I got half a bucket of them, and I think that's about enough for this trip. Not to mention that there are still a lot of berries waiting to fall. Next little breeze, they'll be falling again. But I'll see you next time.